Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flicker Brains. Now if you're new to this channel, you can go ahead and click the subscription button if you want to get every content regarding Google AdSense loading. Okay, now in the last video I dropped a video regarding deductions. Many people were complaining about deductions. So for many of you that are working with the right strategy but yet you still face deductions on your AdSense account, in that video you will learn how to reduce that deductions and you will not even see deductions again after doing that. In that video I taught how to sieve your proxy, that is filter your proxy, collect the bad proxies, remove them and make use of the good proxies. Okay, so make sure that any proxy you're working with doesn't have a high fraud score, because most of these proxy servers, they mix both good proxies and bad proxies for us. So you have to actually filter them so you get the best out of it. Okay, now you can see this account. This account is an old account. If you have been on this channel for a while, you notice that I normally post this account frequently. Whenever the account get issues, add limits or whatever, I drop it on this channel for you guys to see. Okay, so you can see what I've done so far. You can see what's on the balance and you can see today so far, and you can see this month. You can see today so far, you can see this month. Okay, let me reload this. Now I make use of an effective method, a method that is very safe. So if you have a huge AdSense account that received multiple payments in the past and you want me to partner with you on that account and work on that account so we can share money, you can click on the description box. I still accept partnership. I still have a slot for partnership offers. Okay, so you can contact me over there. And if you also want to learn my method, you want to know the step-by-step strategy on how to work on AdSense accounts, get paid without having any issues, I teach that too. I teach two effective methods, which is manual and automation method. So for more inquiries, you can click on the contact info in the description box so you can get more inquiries regarding the current safe method to work with. Okay, now over here you can see my CPC. My CPC is high. Gradually, I normally used to tell you guys, if you're using a quality cookie, there is no how your CPC is not going to rise as far as you're making use of a quality cookie. Making use of that quality cookie consistently, like 3 working days, you're going to start seeing your CPC increase. You're going to start seeing your CPC increase bit by bit. Make someone that is using a cookie that is very, very quality, your CPC is not going to go below $3. It's not going, as far as you're making use of a quality cookies, you won't face a CPC below $3. Now in my tutorials, I also give you guys how to create cookies, and one of these days I'll also drop a free tutorial on this channel on how to also create these cookies, because cookies are not hard to create. Okay, the difference is the time well spent on a cookie is what determines how quality the cookie is. So if you spend more time on creating of your cookies will be more effective. Okay,